So, hi, my name is Daniel.
Hi, I'm Tristan.
Hi, I'm
Hi, I'm
Zun
Wait. Record.
Yeah. So now Kelvin will be explaining the
About-
differences between solicitors and barristers.
Yes, he will make a presentation to you.
So, I'm going to talk about the main branches in the legal profession, and they are mainly the solicitors and the barristers. So, the first one for solicitors, they are actually organizations or individuals that will advise on legal matters, and they are actually governed by SRA, which is also called as Solicitors Regulation Authority. And in the legislation of Court and Legal Service Act 1990, it actually stated that solicitors they have the right to become a certified advocate, and to be in order to do that, they can also attend the hearing and they can represent the client in the lower courts. So for solicitors, there are main areas where solicitors work, and they are mainly the conveyancing, commercial matters, and also the family matters. So to move on to the barrister, it's actually an individual and also called as a lawyer that represent the client in higher courts. They usually settle the disputes which involve a complex legal matter. And they work with solicitors because solicitors will give details of a case, and they have a certain amount of time to review the evidence and to prepare what they are going to say in court. To become barrister, on the other hand, you will have to get an undergraduate degree, and you have to be called into the bar into the four inns of court, which are Grey Inn, Lincoln's Inn, Middle Temple Inn, and Inner Temple Inn. And to do this, they will be able to get a qualification. However, they have to go for the 9 months privilege in order to be a qualified barrister. So, whether or not a client can sue a barrister because of negligence, it can be illustrated in a case, in a legal case, which is called a Rochdale and Worsley. Worsley, in this case, is actually a lawyer, and the claimant was charged in a crime. That's why the claimant brought a negligent action claiming that the lawyer did not asked all the questions and did not present all the evidences. But the High Court actually dismissed the claim because of two reasons. The first, there was no cause of action, and on top of that, barrister cannot be sued in negligence. And once again, the claimant brought the case up to Court of Appeal again, which is the second highest hierarchy of courts in UK. But the appeal was also dismissed, and again to the House of Lords, it was also dismissed again because the barristers were immune from negligence suit for their conduct of the case in the court. However, later on there was a case of Alter and Siemens. It was held that there was no longer immune, and clients can now sue their barristers. So, all in all, after the case of Alter and Siemens, it is said that the people, the individuals that hire a lawyer, if they have the sufficient evidence, they will be sufficient to actually sue the barrister.
Oh,
Yeah.
so that's an end to his presentation.
Yeah.
Do you have any comments?
Yes, do comment.
I think this presentation is well explained, very detailed. A lot of terms, but maybe you can use more simplified terms so that the public can understand better.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
I think Kelvin's presentation is very good as he is able to present confidently. He successfully explained the differences between solicitors and barristers to a non-law student.
Yeah, I also think Kelvin's presentation is quite good as we are law students. We can understand what Kelvin is trying to express. I think Kelvin can use more layman term instead of the legal term so that the non-law student can also understand well.
Overall, his presentation is short and precise. However, he could be more interactive towards the guy over there so that he would show more interest towards his presentation. Alright, then I suppose that's all for today. And
Thank you.